Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of activating your Getaround vehicle owner account, allowing you to share your car when it's parked. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Getaround website or app. Begin by navigating to the Getaround website or downloading the Getaround app on your smartphone. You can find the app in the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Sign up or log in. If you are a new user, click on Sign Up to create a new account. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and a secure password. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 3. Complete your profile. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. This includes adding personal information, verifying your identity, and uploading a profile picture. Make sure to fill out all required fields to ensure a smooth process. Step 4. Verify your identity. Getaround prioritizes safety, which is why they require identity verification. You will need to provide a valid driver's license and may be asked to upload a selfie for comparison. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this verification step. Step 5. Add your vehicle. After verifying your identity, navigate to the Add Vehicle section. Here, you'll input details about your vehicle, such as make, model, year, and license plate number. Be sure to include clear and accurate information. Step 6. Set your availability. Once your vehicle is added, you can set its availability, indicate when your car will be available for sharing, and manage your calendar according to your personal schedule. This allows you to maximize your earning potential while ensuring it fits seamlessly into your life. Step 7. Set your pricing. Next, determine your pricing. Getaround provides a pricing tool to help you decide on a competitive rate based on your car type, location, and availability. You can adjust your pricing at any time based on demand. Step 8. Review and activate your listing. Before activating your car listing, review all details to ensure everything is correct. Check your vehicle information, availability, and pricing. Once you're satisfied, click on the Activate button to officially make your vehicle available for sharing. Step 9. Stay informed. After activation, keep an eye on notifications from Getaround regarding bookings, customer inquiries, and any necessary updates. This will help you maintain a good relationship with renters and ensure that your vehicle is in demand. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you activate your Getaround vehicle owner account successfully. Remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy sharing!